Episode 7. Diana locks Allie in the fridge / freezes him to death / grounded.
You know, although I'm fully recovered from my injuries Patricia gave me when she got her revenge on me, I'm still furious at her for doing it. I need to get revenge on her, but how? Ally, can't you
Mom,
see
you're
I'm
literally
not
like
in the
47
mood
years
right
old or
now?
something, and you took a beating from
Patricia
Patricia, who's
just
only
assaulted
14.
me a few
You're so
days
funny as fuck.
ago, and I'm trying to recover from it. Shut the fuck up, Ally. My day is already shitty, and yet you are making it worse for me and yourself.
Yeah. Hey, mom got assaulted by Patricia, what a little bitch. Taking a beating from a 14-year-old, fucking bullshit. Mom thinks she's tough, but she ain't even fucking rich. She's not fucking smart, calling me a snitch. She thinks I'm a snitch, yeah, she's fucking stupid. Abusing our asses, she's fucking livid. She thinks she's John Cena, not fucking close to it. Acting smart when her brain's fucking lucid. Mom, you're not smart cause your brain is small. Although, god fucking damn it, your fists are fucking tall. So go and touch some grass, go and play some football. Please fuck off or get smashed through the wall. Alright, I said enough, now I diss my mom. She's gonna fucking rage instead of keeping calm. Rage and she beast, on the loose, police please come. She's gonna lose her temper and fucking blow a bomb. Fucking blow a bomb. Fucking blow a bomb.
Alright! That is so fucking neat. Ally, since you fucking dare to do ISS me with your rap bullshit, take fucking this.
5 hours later. When Max Elvis took Ellie to his room.
Still having no idea on how to make Patricia pay for her revenge on me a few days ago. Oh. Hey Max sweetie, how are you doing today? Mom. Okay, fine. Yes. I put Al into the fridge because he laughed at me getting attacked by Patricia days ago and dissed me with his rap. Please understand, I have anger problems. Why does this always happen to me? Why?